what pitch we play on, whatever surface. I think our focus has got to be on how we play, how we perform, and we've obviously got to be confident that whatever happens, we're there to get 3 points, and we've got to make sure that's what we do. We've all played on artificial surface enough time, so we know what to expect from it. I can't see it being a major problem, really. At the start is vital. First game you want to get off the mark with 3 points. It's never easy, no game's ever easy at this level, but we've got the belief and confidence we can get a good start and really make things happen in this group to get a campaign underway. And like I say, there's always that dream and that target at the end of it, so it's a long road and it's obviously a process to it, but every minute that we're together counts towards that end goal. The qualifying sort of the amount of teams and etc. is I think that's given us a boost as well. I think that coupled with, like you say, the players we've got, we're really confident that we can hit the ground running this campaign. Obviously it's a group filled with with tough teams, but we feel we can compete against them all. The start of this campaign, from last campaign, you've got players the likes of Gareth and Aaron who have played consistently at the highest level, so for their club, and they're going to bring that to the table for us as well, which is that's going to be fantastic. We expect to perform, and we have the quality to win the game. This is I think that's as simple as that, really.